Top 7 AI Tools That Will Make You Rich 2024. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of success with the top 7 AI tools that are about to revolutionize the game and make you rich. But hey, before we unveil these digital treasures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the exclusive tech updates. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Web.io. The game changer in website development. Imagine effortlessly creating stunning websites that not only captivate but elevate your online presence. How? By harnessing the power of AI-driven automation. Just answer a few questions about your business, let AI work its magic, and voila, a professional website with AI-generated content and images. Say goodbye to hours of manual work. Number 6. Opus Clip. Your masterful video editing sidekick. Unleash your creativity as Opus Clip seamlessly blends clips, adds effects, and crafts professional-grade videos. Elevate your content creation to new heights, gain more views, fans, and accelerate your growth. With a free plan to get you started, Opus Clip is the secret weapon every content creator needs. Number 5. ChatGPT Writer. From blog posts to marketing copy, this AI companion generates content that captures your brand's essence. Save time, fix grammar mistakes, and elevate your storytelling. But beware, this power comes with a cost. ChatGPT Plus at $20 per month. A small price for the words that'll make your audience stay hooked. Number 4. Tidio. Where real-time customer engagement is perfected. With AI chatbots that redefine customer interaction, Tidio ensures swift responses, personalized interactions, and 24/7 availability. Boost your conversions effortlessly, build trust, and drive results with automation and AI. Tidio offers a free plan, but for the full suite of features, consider their paid plans starting at $18 per month. Number 3. DocuAsk. This AI-driven efficiency streamlines document generation, automated form filling, and frees up your valuable time. Analyze and align your documents across languages effortlessly. DocuAsk's pricing varies, so visit their website for details. Number 2. Copilot. Coming in hot at number 2, meet your code crafting companion Copilot. This AI-powered code writing assistant understands your intent, offering suggestions that transform complex tasks into elegant solutions. Join thousands of developers using Copilot for free, with prices starting at $4 per month for GitHub Pro. Elevate your programming prowess and efficiency code like a pro. Number 1. Adobe Firefly. Drumroll, please. Topping our list at number 1 is none other than Adobe Firefly, where design genius is unleashed. With AI-driven creativity, transform your ideas into captivating designs that leave a lasting impact. From beautiful images to playing with color, Adobe Firefly is your creative companion. Pricing varies, so explore the Creative Cloud All Apps plan for access to multiple Adobe tools. And there you have it, folks. The top 7 AI tools that are not just changing the game but setting the stage for success. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing content.